Hi guys, today we are going to dive into the V-bottom and V-top pattern indicator. We will see that with a good strategy, we can achieve great results with a 400% net profit and a 19% maximum drawdown. So first go to Trading View, then Indicator, then search for V-bottom. Click on V-bottom top pattern by Miss U. Here you can see a label VP, which is potential V pattern, and a V label, which is a confirmed V pattern. To understand this famous pattern, we can visualize the last highs and lows with the red and green lines. The yellow line is the average of the two. I refer to it as the mid-pivot. V-bottom and V-top are patterns that act as traps. As you can see here, we are breaking the last high, so it's bullish, but right after it reintegrates the range and goes down. The price has been pushed to induce buying behavior from other traders, but it was a trap to sell at a better price. This kind of pattern is also used by market makers to liquidate a lot of short positions at the last peak before a big bearish move. Back to our indicator, there are multiple types of confirmation to validate the V pattern. The first is mid-pivot. So when the price breaks this level here, the V-top pattern is validated. It could be at first break, which is here, or the opposite pivot, which is here. Finally, it could just be without any confirmation. But there is another parameter, which is really interesting. The confirmation breakout factor. This will be needed to validate the confirmation breakout. For example, if the body of the candle that breaks the mid-pivot is not 1.2 times bigger than the average body, it will not be considered as a valid break. It's really useful to identify a strong breakout from a standard one. Okay guys, now we are going to find the best parameters for this pattern. So go to Indicator, then Invite Only Scripts, click on the Ultimate Backtest by Fonteramisu. Now let's backtest this indicator. On the settings, go to Strategy Basic Settings, and set Trading Mode to only buy and sell. Then go to the Strategy Group Condition 1 and choose Pattern V-top and V-bottom. We will test this indicator alone with the confirmation type to mid-pivot, but we will test the first break confirmation just after. As you can see, this is not a really good strategy, with a max drawdown of 50% and a 50% net profit. Let's improve that. First, we'll modify the pivot detection because it affects highs and lows calculations. I put 4 for the deviation and 8 in depth. This is much better, with a 131% net profit and a 30% max drawdown. Of course, we are not done yet. Let's modify the confirmation breakout factor, which favors quality breakout impulses. As you can see, when I am updating the confirmation breakout, I have better results, so I continue. And here we go with a 1.3 breakout factor. We have approximately 400% net profit and max drawdown of 19% for a 145 total closed trades. Here is the advantage of the confirmation breakout factor, which allows you to have better quality confirmation. Some of you guys might say that the max drawdown is high, and I would agree with you, so I will show you a less risky strategy. To filter out bad signals, I'll use a trend multi-ma condition. I put EMA direction, length multi-ma is 132, with CLSMA, and length direction is 13. Now we modify V-pattern parameters. We're going to take a 0.6 confirmation factor and a 14 max bars confirmation. Now let's configure the strategy part that will allow us to drastically reduce the max drawdown and have a more secure strategy. Select TP in the pivot mode with a 1.5 TP1 multiplier. Then apply the setup optimizer, favorable entry from pivot. We set retracement move factor up to 2. And boom, here we go. As you can see, the max drawdown was reduced a lot and the net profit is more than 100%. I'm quite happy about this secured version of the strategy. If you prefer this one, it's possible with the ultimate backtest. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this content. All the information is in the description. Thanks a lot for your feedback, and I will see you very soon.